some of our other pilots to whom I'm allowed to be rude. But here she is, ladies and gentlemen, magnificent in all her splendour, undoubtedly the biggest aircraft you'll see here this weekend. Oh, and the pilot entering into the display routine. We understand it's a scheduled service. I've not quite invested to Stonehenge in order to give its passengers a view of the ancient standing stone. So I'm not sure whether United are going to make a surcharge for passengers on this flight. I think certainly we should make some effort to sell them a copy of the souvenir programme, Ross.
Why not? Why go to Stonehenge when you can come to Middle Wallop? That's what I want to know.
Well, absolutely. Over the display centre line. The Boeing 767, United Airlines.
Well, you can see that. Brilliant. Yeah.